Welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you download your data information from Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Instagram application. Firstly, you need to open your Instagram application. And after opening the application, go to your profile by clicking into the profile button from bottom right corner. Step 2. Go to your settings and navigate through Account Center. Now after coming to the profile, you just simply have to tap into the three bars into the top right corner. After tapping there, just go to Settings and Privacy. After going there, you can see this Account Center option into the top. You just simply have to tap there. Step 3. Go to your information and permissions. Now after coming to the Account Center, you just simply have to tap into this Your Information and Permissions button. After tapping there, it will show the option for you to download your information. Step 4. Download your information. Now after coming to Your Information and Permissions, just simply tap to this Download Your Information button. It will show the available amount of your data. Just simply click to the download button here. And after clicking to the download button, just simply enter your account's password and click to continue. Then after doing this, Instagram will redirect you to any of the browser that you installed in your device. Now after going there, just simply click to this download button. Then after doing this, your information from Instagram will be downloaded shortly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.